All right, so tonight's gonna be a simple recipe. It's one pan, no other pans, no other pots, nothing. Broccoli, mushrooms, whatever kind of veggies you wanna do. Chicken, rice, a little bit of chicken stock, a little bit of heavy whipping cream, a bunch of seasonings. Only natural seasoning is gonna be the onion. So that's gonna make it nice and flavorful. They're not gonna be quiet, you know they're not gonna be quiet, Steph.
I have a way with kids. They think I'm weird.
Little do they know. If you want to get fancy, you can saute the onions and bring out that kind of a flavor, but nobody has time for that with this. So what I always forget to do with this recipe is put the liquid in first, the seasoning in first. So we're going to put a little bit, oh, those onions are strong. A little bit of chicken stock, a little bit of the heavy whipping cream, give it a creamy texture. Ooh. Ooh. And then we're gonna season it. I'm not gonna use natural garlic. I don't have any, to be honest with you. Or fresh garlic, excuse me. A little bit of Creole seasoning.
This is textured.
Nice. I'm gonna season the chicken with a little bit of poultry seasoning, a lot of poultry seasoning. All right. So I'm gonna whisk the flavoring together, whisk the heavy whipping cream and the chicken stock, so it's all even. Next, I'm gonna cut up the chicken and measure out the rice. She said, cold onions don't make me cry. We're gonna witness what just happened the last 5 minutes. And I cut these bad boys up. I am. We're not gonna talk about that though.
That's a different thing.
That's a different day, another recipe.
Do you know where I can get some rice? Look at the bag of rice she's got.
Bought a 50
Where would
pound.
one find rice that big?
$25 for a 50-pound bag. So I'm gonna do a cup and a half of rice. We'll play it by ear. See how much that covers. This is something that you can freeze into little personal size.
Yeah.
Or you can, I'm gonna mix those onions in there. I'll put this on the side just in case. Or you can do meal prep for it. Any of the above. So I obviously soaked this chicken in poultry seasoning, but it will help with the flavor. And we're gonna put the chicken in raw. Chicken in raw, rice in raw, it's all gonna cook. 425 for about an hour 15 minutes. It's gonna come out wonderful. I cut them in decent sized squares just so there's enough to spread around. So every bite, every section has chicken in it. And it's okay to put it in there raw because it's all gonna cook together and it has enough flavor with all the seasoning. So it should be good. Oh, those onions messed me up. Oh my God. Cut your chicken up pretty good. Sharper the knife, the better.
You did that on purpose.
Yes, I did.
Hello.
So let that soak a little bit and all that goodness. Over seasoning is not a bad idea with this because rice will soak all of that up. I also forgot, the other day I was cooking and my cutting board was going all over the place. Put a wet rag underneath your cutting board to prevent it from sliding. I'm gonna do a little bit of salt. And a little bit more of the Creole seasoning. Doesn't really put that much flavor into it. It's just really good. Oh my God. Wine helps everything.
Oh.
Wine helps everything. I'm gonna cut these a little bit smaller so I can hide them a little bit. My kids don't have a choice but to eat them. That is key.
What? Broccoli's the best.
He loves broccoli. It's the other ones.
Oh.
Well, no, Lucci's good. Lucci loves it too. It's the middle one.
Coming to hang out.
Now we're gonna add the rice. It is gonna be a little bit overflowed, but a little bit more salt. Now the rice is gonna double in size. So this is gonna be a full, and mix it with your hands. Get down and dirty. It's the best way to do it.
Bow, chicka, wow.
Brown, chicka, brown, brown. Put it in, 425 for about an hour. You could check it. I put tinfoil on top of it. Sorry. You're not coming anymore. You are totally not invited. Your daughter is welcome. You are so not.
What did I do?
Because you know what you do. You know, you got that judging
I
eyes.
didn't say anything.
Your judgy eyes.
I just said your knife needs to be sharpened.
And then it's boring.
That's a lot
And
of
that
rice.
you need.
Just saying.
I don't need a man.
You can
I don't need a man. I carry my own 50 pounds of rice.
Nobody needs to help me.
Woo!
Dead body in that rice bag.
You damn right. Can you come and cheers me at least? You wench. No! You were supposed to come all the way around.
Hey, stupid, I wasn't born yesterday.
We are gonna pull out the dish from the oven. I'm gonna add some cheese to it, and then I put it under the broiler to kind of crisp it up a little bit. You don't have to add cheese. I add cheese for just extra flavor, and the kids love it. So. And added a lot of pepper, so. It's really good, but I didn't realize how much pepper I was eating. That's maybe why I shouldn't be drinking so much wine while I cook. So do a nice layer of cheese. Let it surround the entire dish. Be good. And this is easy, moms. Super, or dads, whoever cooks in the household. Super, super easy. The housekeeper, the maid, the kids, I don't know, but super easy dish. One, what am I thinking of? One dish to wash. So I'm gonna leave the top off. We're gonna put it in there as is for about 4 or 5 minutes on high broil. Perfect. Ooh. Voila. All right, let's set it up for a photo.
Okay, give her the camera and you do the stringy.
She's got it.
Oh.